Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are sharing a simple explanation of professional body massage therapy used in spa and wellness centers. This video is for educational and relaxation purposes only. Before starting the massage, make sure the room is clean, quiet and warm. Use a good quality massage oil or lotion. Hands should be clean and warm. The client must feel comfortable and relaxed. Start with a head and neck massage. Apply a small amount of oil. Use slow, gentle circular movements on the scalp. Massage the neck softly to release tension. This helps reduce stress and calm the mind. Now move to the shoulders and back. Use long, smooth strokes from top to bottom. Apply gentle pressure with your palms and thumbs. Do not press directly on the spine. This relaxes muscles and improves blood circulation. Next, massage the arms and hands. Use kneading movements from shoulders to hands. Massage the palms gently. Slowly stretch the fingers. This improves flexibility and relaxation. Now focus on the legs and feet. Use long strokes from thighs to feet. Massage the calf muscles gently. Apply thumb pressure on the soles of the feet. This helps reduce tiredness and body fatigue. To finish the massage, use light, slow strokes over the body. Allow the client to rest for a few minutes. Drinking water after massage is recommended. Professional body massage therapy helps reduce stress, relaxes muscles, and improves overall wellness. Thank you for listening. Stay relaxed and healthy.